That water smells bad.
I'm not sure if the.
That's not good smell of water. That's not fresh water. That's not water like back in the old days with all my family. Yeah, you can just slurp up any natural water source possible. Some dog
coming down from there.
I don't think it's a part of the trail. No.
Seth, what are your intentions today?
That's my intention.
That was your intention?
Uh-huh. My intentions are to find a walking stick. Now I can walk my stick.
Walk my stick or walking stick?
Walk my stick.
What's his name? Whoa.
Gerald.
You said Gerald?
Yeah.
Interesting.
What's that over there?
Whoa.
Okay, this is where we depart now.
That's a trench, bro.
That's a trench.
Oh my God, World War II. Wow, look at that. Oh man.
Onwards we go.
Oh, I wish I could go under that bridge.
Please don't.
Just start crawling.
Oh, access to fresh water. There's a water bottle. There is actual access to fresh water.
Ew.
What the?
I was like peeping out.
Bro, look.
What are you doing?
Is that a Dasani water bottle?
Yeah.
No, that is not Dasani.
That's
Oh,
okay.
there's way more water than ever before.
Huh.
What is that? Guys,
What?
there's something strapped to this tree.
Yeah, that's the hunting camera.
That's a hunting camera.
It's like
No
night vision.
way. I thought it said no hunting on the board.
Oh, it's probably.
I think that's the here. I don't know. No, they usually capture.
No, it's definitely like if you go in front of it, it's gonna light up.
Nature cam. Nature cam.
Yeah, it's a nature cam.
Is it free?
Can
we take it?
It's bolted on there. What do you think?
No, it's tied around the tree. You probably just chew
No,
off.
the guy will just check his phone and see where it is.
It might have location.
That is one weird tree, bro. I mean, that's
Man, what
one
you
weird-
got wrong with this tree?
Look at that.
I'd say this tree is natural.
Oh, look at that.
Everything is natural. Everything comes from nature, bro. It's great.
Oh, it's a cell tower.
Look, man. There used to be a society here.
What? Oh, the bricks.
Yeah.
The bricks tell tales.
Okay, now I'm beginning to think there's nothing modern down there. Oh well.
There's an obstacle in that
It's not a
scene.
video. It's not like a video game where you can't go across a log.
I'm gonna ride this log. Oh. Where the lady? Oh man. Can dogs get poison ivy from you?
Pull up to work with Ivy.
With the ivy.
Okay, guys, I don't think we should continue.
Yeah, I think we should probably turn back.
Nah, that's so
No, I don't. Where's the poison ivy?
It's definitely a trail.
no, because these
Ukraine! Oh wait, there's no.
Oh yeah, it definitely goes that way.
The flower is yellow and then.
Yeah. It's just.
Oh, blue is like the most extreme, and that's why. This is just extreme.
It's safe. Keep going.
Peer pressure, guys. Never fall under peer pressure.
I fell under peer pressure coming here.
Oh, the poison ivy is gonna be so cute.
Ow!
Why is he saying ow?
Ow!
Okay.
Just go.
I'm going back, man.
All right,
Are
let's.
these the things hurting you? Stop.
As long as you get from lawnmower, man.
Ow!
I'm already getting itchy, bro.
Oh, these are. I'm getting itchy too.
Is this Ivy?
We do. I'm gonna go to Walmart to get poison ivy cream. I doubt I have any at home.
Look. Why is it getting dark so quick?
Uh-oh.
I think it's gonna rain. Did you check the weather, Ma? Did you check the weather?
Oh, I don't want to walk in the rain.
Ma definitely did not check the weather.
Oh, my legs are actually itchy.
I know.
That's not good.
Oh, guys, I'm getting itchy too.
Is poison ivy that reactive? No, don't touch it. You're gonna spread it everywhere. Oh my God, don't touch anything. Oh, my legs. Oh.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh.
We're fine.
Hey, it's gonna be itchy for a little bit. You'll be fine.
No, you don't want to touch it. You're gonna spread it to your arms, your face, your bunghole. No, oh, it's itching. Oh. Oh boy. Oh man. Oh, fuck, burly man. Black. Oh.
Ooh, I'm itchy.
Vlog was a warning.
Oh. Oh, I gotta resist. Oh yeah. I gotta resist. What if I just itch it once?
Dude, I
just itch it. Oh, I need to itch. Oh! Oh!
Shut up.
You guys getting more foggy.
I need to take a break. Hold
Don't.
up, Alex. Take a break. Take a break. Can you hold this for me? I'm sweating so
fuck.
much. What?
I touched my wrist.
Oh, okay. Just hold this for me. Thank you. I'm just so hot. Okay, we need a water break. We do. Are you hot too?
No, I'm just itchy.
Okay, take some water.
No, this mint bang keeping me hot.
Okay, you want me water? Let's set this down right here real quick.
What the fuck?
Yeah!
Oh, this is
Do
so
you
hot.
want poison?
Oh, my.
You want poison ivy on your chest?
Sure.
Ma, I've been walking through with my white feet like that.
Oh man,
I can
that's
feel
such
it.
a relief.
It is.
I chose to wear full length sleeves, but not pants.
Oh, that's the wrong pocket. Wait, Alex, I'm not ready.
Bye-bye.
Darn it!
Come on, Seth, hurry up.
He took my hat.
He's walking away.
Here, my face.
Wow, you're in the Barbie boy costume now.
Oh! Wait, these shorts are even shorter than the ones I had on before.
You're an idiot.
I would put the Barbie sunglasses on. I did bring them, but it's kind of dark. So, I don't think I need them, you know?
Yeah.
You feel?
I think we should all stay together because I feel like when one of us gets out of the other, we're just not going to find each other ever again in that horror movie.
Alex has the double hat protection.
I smell the Old Spice.
Wait, what if the Old Spice helps against...
What is that? It's a warning.
No, I saw that before.
Oh.
I just didn't say
In a
anything.
moment.
We're going a different way now, okay.
Oh.
Use your big boy legs, Seth.
Abuse them.
Abuse them.
Guns? Maha, show us the guns.
Yeah, Mom, like yesterday. Show them all. Show them.
Man, I wish there was a walking stick at the start.
You a puller. You a puller.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Mom, do that.
What's on my arm? Oh, the itch is still there.
Mine's gone.
All you gotta do is scratch it.
No!
I haven't scratched mine once.
This is even worse. It's getting worse again.
Oh no.
Like, man, what is this trail? It just leads to poison ivy. No, you listen to me, kids. Look into the trails before you just pop it into Google Maps and go. It may be 7 minutes away. It may be convenient. It may have cute dogs on the trail. But guess what? You'll just get poison ivy and wish you were dead by morning.
Anyways.
Let's go back.
So where are we going to eat after this?
I'm gonna touch my head. No.
No, stop touching things. No touch.
I really want to touch
No
it.
means no, Alex.
No.
Oh, we have to go back down the steep part. It's fine. It's fine.
Okay, yeah, it got really dark. Really dark now.
Yeah, that's why I don't put my sunglasses on. It's too dark. That looks like a trail.
What time is it? Why are you going so dark?
Because it's gonna rain in 1 hour.
Oh.
Where you guys? What?
This is a trail. Look, there's a little trail.
This is how he dies. Really?
R.I.P. Shaq.
Oh. Okay.
Come back.
Bro, he's gonna walk behind that tree and disappear.
Is there actually?
I don't know.
You were so
Open
confident.
area. Could be a trail, could not be a trail.
I hear voices.
They sound like little children who might have played in the woods and got lost and died.
All right, you guys in
That would be a shame.
Yeah.
front of me. It's surprising I'm not sweating.
I'm gonna regurgitate.
You're gonna regurgitate
Regurgitate everywhere.
without me?
Possibly.
That's okay.
Very possible.
Well, it's Steve.
Oh, where do we even go?
Yes. What the fuck are you doing?
Oh, I want this rock!
Why do you want this rock?